Welcome. So this is my Instagram page, and today I'm going to show you this cool trick of how you can actually post to Instagram with your computer instead of having to use your phone. I'd use my phone, but most work I do is actually on my computer, so having to transfer images and all this crap over to my phone would be a pain in the neck. So I'm going to show you how I post to Instagram. Now this is my personal favorite. Safari is a little bit easier. The other way is using Google Chrome. So what you do is you go up here into the developer mode, and then you go down to user agent, and then in my case I'm just going to pick iPhone. It doesn't matter if you don't have an iPhone, it's just simulating an iPhone as far as what it would look like. Now we have the little plus icon to actually add or put a post into Instagram. So all I have to do is click it, and I'll just do a quick one. I won't save this. So here's my contact page, and then I could hit next and put in my information, but I'm not going to do it because I've already posted that. So that's the first way. So the second way is to use Google Chrome. So this is another one of my sites here on Instagram, and you'll notice up here I have this little M. So this M stands for Mobile Browser Emulator. So if we go in here and search for Chrome Mobile Browser Emulator, you will come up and you'll get these extensions. So we'll click on that, and this is something you can just basically download. So notice I have it uploaded. What you're going to want to do is install it instead of remove it. Then once you've got it, all you have to do is click on the little M up here and click which kind of mode you want to go into. So we'll say I want to do this phone. The little phone profile pops up, and then once again you can just click on the little plus icon, and bam, just like that, I can just double click on one, and then I could click again. I can add my information. It's trying to log me back in and out. And you can post to Instagram from both Chrome and Safari. So hopefully this has been helpful. If you have any comments or questions, you can leave that below, and don't forget to subscribe.